Hi guys, I'm back. It's Sunkeyy with another video. It's been 5 months, but I'm here now. I'm doing a mukbang with my friend, and then we're gonna talk about freshman advice. Let's get into it. How do they do a mukbang? Ramen noodle soup. Feels so unsatisfying, doesn't it?
It's hot.
We can do ASMR. Get your soup going. That's so disgusting.
Disgusting! No, I met him. Am I sure?
Her and her drama. Anyways,
No. I'm kidding. This is Kiana.
I have a YouTube channel. You should
You're annoying. Haha, karma. Kiana.
You know how those Asian ladies be?
Baby.
I have to do that too. Watch and learn.
Ready?
Drink all that for $1. Will she do it? Continue.
You're right. You wimp.
You wimp.
You Hispanic, like 10 seconds. 1.
Wait.
Just don't think about it. You drink so fast with your big mouth. Literally,
Excuse
mine was
me.
like 10. This is a mixture of everything.
Hurry up.
My chest is burning.
My chest is burning too. Okay, so.
It's not a race. What do? You just eat it, you bum.
I have to eat like very satisfying and nice.
You said it's a plate.
Freshman advice.
Oh god.
Okay.
I
God.
have so much. We're gonna be freaking sophomores, bro. Let me see.
Don't do what I did. In the beginning of freshman year, I was just crashing out every single body.
Most of them were.
Stop. No, I'm gonna take that out.
Freshman advice: keep your circle very, very small, like your friendships circle.
Well, if you're like people like her, you see me.
She doesn't like.
I don't have drama because I don't get in all that.
Me, I'm different. Legit, like.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Keep your circle so small, cause like it's not worth it. On God, like popularity. Not even a thing in high school.
I wish I had clout.
Make sure you keep everything private and like don't tell many people, cause we'll get on the school. Like it's bad. Don't start drama, please, cause you will get put in your place. I'm just saying.
And another advice is
please do your work. I know it sounds like cheesy or whatever, but like do your work. On God, like
her in math.
Stop. Stop. Do your work.
All you see her is in the corner with her headphones, and you just be like, not doing your work. Again, don't worry about boys. They are.
Please stay like as close to your age as possible. Like
oh my
please.
God.
Like please.
Yeah.
It's just like a bad look, you know?
As a grown man or as a grown woman. Just saying.
Yeah. There's this thing called a cougar. Where like you just stuff the whole thing in your mouth.
No. Oh, my thing. Oh, if you need help with like dressing right, that's what to do. Throw those, I mean, if people come down what you wear, keep it if you want to change your lip, throw those baggy jeans away. Throw those flannels away. I do not. All you have to do is just like, if you have a solid shoes and a solid shirt, that's mostly that has match.
Make sure your hair is always on point.
Oh, okay, let's not talk about
First semester, put a picture.
It was bad first semester.
She tried doing bangs. End of story.
It was horrible. I tried bangs because I was like, I kind of wanted to do something cool for high school. Didn't work out. They're floating everywhere.
Gravity was not working. Gravity was not working at all.
Freshman year, you focus on yourself. Unless you got the perfect somebody. But make that you focus on yourself.
Yeah, that like you move on from like middle school.
I think that's all that life is.
I'm full. Like,
I saw a video and I was like, I don't need friends. They disappoint me. Exactly.
we have like our own little friend group and I love it. You're amazing.
I heard a Kirk. Anyways,
A Kirk.
but that is my advice for you. Also, you know, ladies, get your glossy. I call them glossy lips because I just like.
I've never seen her put on chapstick. It's always been lip gloss.
Because I don't really like chapstick like that. Plus, nobody ever finishes their chapstick.
I finished my Carmex. Carmex is a good thing for high school. It's very handy.
Do not.
And I guess lip gloss, yeah.
Yeah, do not let your lips go dry.
Yeah, it's not good.
Like, if you have to lick them, lick them.
That makes it worse.
But it still looks juicy than it just being crusty. Oh my gosh, if you show up with like white lips and they're like ashy, R.I.P.
You're gonna get roasted.
You're gonna get flamed on. You're gonna be like, boy, don't let me get started. I'm good.
Oh,
good.
don't do drugs, kids. Cause if you don't go to like a white school, then you're gonna have drugs. So, just saying. Like, don't get caught into it, cause it's bad.
I'll do that.
Yeah,
I'm like a
okay.
kid. Okay,
I thought I
guys.
broke your glasses. Oh my god.
I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and
Kiana?
you broke it.
No, maybe.
Oh, it's just shipped it. Just shipped it back, right?
How?
That's what happens to my glasses. Wait,
Yeah, just shift it back.
what happened to it? No.
I have super glue.
You look stupid with me having super glue on my glasses.
It's better than tape.
What you did? Look what you did. Look what you
Just
did.
shift it. Snap. Let me see.
Anyways, she broke my glasses. But
I did not.
thanks for watching my video. And that's all for today. Peace and love and bye and tie. Peace and love and bye and tie.
A piece fell off.
Whatever.